Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from It's Easy here, and I got a new video for you today. It is a kit that we used to have in, but they started carrying some new colors, so we decided that we would get them in again. Please ignore any sound coming from like this side, because I'm just associates that just make a ton of noise. Just disrespectful. So anyways, this is the Penguin. This is the Penguin Special Edition, though. So this is pretty much the same thing as all the other Penguins. I mean, we have a video of the older version of it. Really, the only difference with this one, they've got these different colors in. So we've got these in it's like a light baby blue. But we thought we would just come back to the Penguins because they were really solid devices. It's got its own kind of coil with it that's really odd, but it seems to work well for people, and we have people coming in all the time asking for these, so this is why I decided to put them back in the store. Pretty much it's still very straightforward. It's 5 clicks to turn it on, 5 clicks to turn it off. All you gotta do is push a button. It hits at 50 watts. That's the maximum output, so I guess that's if you've got the 0.25 coil in there. This particular kit comes with the 0.25 and the 0.6. It also comes with your charge cord. It's got the cartridge and everything. So here's your cartridge. The coil goes down in the bottom down there. It doesn't have the fill hole though, which I wish it had. That's what I liked about the Dolphins, is it had the fill hole in the little pack. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a really straightforward kit. It's very simple to use if you're first starting, or even if you've been in it for a while and you just want something really straightforward and simple. Pick the Penguin. But that's really what I've got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and be sure to get back to you. All right, peace.